Hi guys, and welcome to TMAT Academy. It's been a while. Well, these are series 9, and in series 9 we want to look at equation with fraction. All right. Actually, we want to learn how to, cross multiply. That is one of the major things in equation with fraction. Now, when we say fraction, what is a fraction? A fraction is a number that is raised on top of another number. Well, in some textbooks and some teachers define fraction as a part of a whole. That's why, in a simple term, we can say that the fraction is when a number is raised on top of another number. For example, if I have 1 over 2, 1 over 2 is a fraction. This 1 is raised on top of this, meaning that this 2 is carrying 1. And there's a sign used in fraction. The sign is division sign. All right. So writing something like this doesn't really make sense until you have the division sign. Okay, that is a fraction. Now we want to look at equation with fraction. Number 1, x over 3 equals to 5. Now in x over 3, I'm going to solve this. Okay, yeah. Now when we have something like this, on this side, this is left hand side, the other side is right hand side. Okay. Now when you have a fraction here, and also I think there's a fraction here, but there's an invisible one here, that is 5 over 1. So when you have a denominator here, only one of them. Denominator is the, for example, write 3 over 5. This one is numerator, this one is denominator. So when you have a fraction here, a denominator, and on the other side also a denominator, what do? That is when you cross multiply. And from English language, we say crossing multiply, not straight multiply, not a normal multiplication. When you crossing has to do with this, be like this. Then from here you say cross multiply. Actually we are looking for our x. Okay, so the crossing multiply is like this, meaning that x crossing, not straight, multiplying this, and 3 also multiplying that. All right, so when you have equality sign here and you have a denominator here, 1, that is when you cross multiply. All right, so here I start from x times 1 equals to 3 times 5. So x times 1 is x, and 3 times 5 is what? 15. So the answer is 15. All right, so we move to number 2. Number 2 says 2 over m is equals to 3 over 9. Number 2 is just like this number 1. All right, you have a denominator here, a denominator. What do? You cross multiply this times this, so you write cross multiply. Okay, meaning that m times 3, pardon me, then also we have 2 times 9. All right, so m times 3 is 3m equals to 2 times 9 is 18. So from here we have done this in the previous series. All right, so we are looking for m, and this is 3m. So you divide both sides by 3, both sides, sorry, by 3. So we have 3m over 3 equals to 18 over 3. 3 cancel 3. 3 and 1, 3 in 18 is 6. So we have our m to be equals to what? 6. So that is the solution to number 2. Yes, number 3 is x over 2 equals to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. Now, in this at this stage, you cannot cross multiply. You can't. All right. Why? Because we have a fraction here, 2 denominators on this side, 1 and 2. Although we have 1 here, but this one you have to make it 1 denominator. That is the condition before you cross multiply. You must make the other side to be one denominator by finding the LCM of the other one. Okay, so you say x over 2 equals to, you find the LCM of 3 and 4. Now if you find the LCM of 3 and 4, okay, that is going to give us 12. All right, so 3 in 12, that is 4 times 1 is 4 plus this sign. 4 in 12 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So here we have, you continue, x over 2. 4 plus 3 is 7 over 2. Now we have made it what? One denominator. So a denominator here, also 1 here. So it is this stage that you can cross multiply. All right, so here we say cross multiply. All right, so what do we say? We say x times 12 equals to 2 times 7. So x times 12 is 12x equals to what? 14. Now this place cannot, let me just solve it or move it up. Okay, so here we have 12x equals to 14. What do I do here? I divide both sides by 12. So here 12x over 12 equals to 14 over 12. So 12 cancel 12. S equals to, now 2 can go in the two of them. All right, so 2 in 12 is 6, 2 is 7. So our answer is 7 over 6. This is an improper fraction. We need to change it to a mixed fraction. All right, so 6 in 7 is, so we can write x equals to, 6 in 7 is 1 time, that is one whole number, remaining 1 over 6. So that is our answer. Yes, number 4 says x minus 2 over 4 equals to 3 over 2. The question is, can we cross multiply here? Yes, we can, because we have a denominator here, also here. Although on the numerator part we have 2 factors here, you don't need that. Your target should be the denominator. It must be 1 here, 1 here. All right, when it's more than 1, like in this place, you find the LCM. But because it is just single, just cross multiply direct, cross multiply. All right, here. So now 2 times this, you see that these 2, you open a bracket because it's not 1. All right, equals to 3 times 4. Okay, so here you remove the bracket. We have done this in series 5. You can go and check how to remove the bracket. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 2, that is minus 4, equals to 3 times 4 is 12. Now here, what do? We collect the like times. Okay, this for us to meet this 12. So we collect the like times. So 2x, we stay alone, equals to 12. Some people will say minus 4 or 4 first minus 12. That is wrong. Okay, start from here. We have done this in our series 6. You can check it. Okay, so 12, this 4 is minus, come here become plus 4. So here we have 2x equals to 16. So let me move it up. So we have 2x equals to 16. Now we divide both sides by 2 because we are looking for x by 2. This is the short way of writing that. So 2x over 2 equals to 16 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 cancel 2, 2 here 1, 2 in 16 is 8. So our s is 8. So that is the end of equation with fraction, although we still have complex one which shall be discussed in series 10. See you in series 10.